Good morning. It's Gillykube and the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with hopefully a quick little pour. I still have I'm working with the alchemy paints, opal, some of them are opal magic green, are the different sort of shades. Capriole Shabby Chic sent them to me, and I have mixed them with just a pouring medium, the Mont pouring medium. They may be fine to mix with just Floetrol or Liquitex pouring medium or homemade, I'm not sure, but I've used those and I have plenty left over here. So without further ado, I'm going to do a quick flip and lip again with them because it came out so nice last time I did it. I'm going to just cover my paint with, this is actually house paint and Floetrol and water. I had some house paint left over and I thought I'd try this house paint, see if it cracks, because so many people have been asking me can they use house paint, but whereas I normally just use my Mont Brilliant White and the pouring medium, so we'll just give this a go, and I'm going to pour over that. Well, I'm going to flip my cup. I'm going to load it with what I have left of the little art alchemy. As I said there, I know lots of people use these paints in the US, so they're easily available in the US, and you can get them in Australia off Capriole Shabby Chic. They're ultra, sort of like it says, opal effect in them. It's quite beautiful. So it's really been fun playing with these. I've been doing all kinds of different pours with them. Just trying swipes, flip cups, all sorts. So this is a complete mismatch of colours. I'm not actually thinking about the colours I'm pouring in here. I am just using up what I have left. So if it looks a whole weird thing at the end, you know, so be it. All good at the end. Just going to add a little bit of white that I have Floetrol in, so it might help create some lacing, I'm not sure, but now this is really fluidy, so I can't turn that up. Maybe I can lift it up a little bit towards it. Oh wow. Okay. That was a complete, oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, I was going to say a rude word then, but not too rude, but oh, look at that lacing. Oh my God. No, not God. Oh my goodness. I got told off for saying God. I'm so sorry. I don't say the Lord's name in vain. That's what my mum used to say to me all the time, but I don't do it out of maliciousness. It's just a phrase. Oh, wowzers. I need to lip that through again, I think. I like the lip effect through it. I love the lip effect through it, actually. Not just like it. I love doing the extra lip through your canvas. It just creates a bit of interest, I find. Wow, that's quite nice. That lacing I got at the beginning, obviously if I'd probably put less paint on, I may have been able to try and keep that. So I'm thinking how thin these paints are. Maybe I should try the Dutch pour with them, because I always get that wrong with the Dutch pour, in that I do my paints too thick, but these are really thin. So I've got a canvas beside me, so that might be my next adventure. I'll try the Dutch pour with these paints. and blow them. I'll use a bit of that so I don't have to try and tip all my paint off work in the corner, because it's quite easy to do this last little bit of pour on there. Flip and lip. Oh, this is really shimmery. I don't know if you can see that. Don't so much like the thickness of that in there, but that's easily sorted. Oh, I like it. It is just shimmering. You have got no idea how much. Well, I suppose you have if you've used this before. Of course, I'm just playing with these paints and exploring, and this is what's good, because I'm doing the experiments, and you're not having to waste your money if they don't turn out, or if you see what you could do differently, then that's, you know, it's all worth it, isn't it? Absolutely worth it. Okay, and thank you for lovely comments I've been getting lately about not worrying about what other people say. I don't mean it to come out like I am worried about what other people say, but you just try to please people, you know, and as I believe, I've got to be myself. I really have got to be myself, because everybody else is taken. That's the saying, isn't it? You know, that's the only person I can be. And it's and the other one is it's better to be hated for, what is the other one? It's better to be hated for being yourself than loved for being false, or something like that. Because, yeah, just silly sayings. Okay, let's get on with this pour. But thank you anyway all for caring enough to comment. You know, because even the toughest of people sometimes have their little meltdowns and need a little bit of reassurance. Even the old birds like me. I mean, I'm not old, but kind of feeling it just lately. Oh, I've got some nice 3D kind of cells that look floating in the Never Never. Well, there you go. What do you think, guys? It's pretty. I will post some photos at the end of this video of it dry. I will always post the photos on my Facebook page, Acrylic Art by Gillykube, so you can hop over there and look at finished works, and sometimes there's videos of the dried pieces. So thanks so much for joining me, as always. So much appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Yeah, just let me know what you think about this one, and have you given the Art Alchemy and the colourshift paints a go? I'm just looking through the camera now, and it is nowhere near as shimmery, or the colours are so much brighter off camera. So why is that? I wonder if I've got too much light on my subject. I've got overhead lights. Yeah, just wondering. Okay, thanks so much. And I was going to say one more thing to you. Oh, if you want to show me your work or other people, join our Australian acrylic pouring group. And that's basically for you guys, you know, to show your work and help one another. It's a safe, friendly environment. We don't tolerate any bullying or spamming whatsoever, but you are free to post your acrylic pouring work on there and ask any questions. And usually there's lots of lovely people that's willing to give a word of advice. So thank you. Till next time, bye for now.